Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my year of savings binder. I have $100 in prop money, so let's get started. Let's see, we are back to our every Friday of 2025. This goes towards extra payment of debt. So let's do this Friday and put $12. Come on, marker. So $12. Just remember that I do not have my colored pencils over here. Jesus. I always forgetting something, thinking I'm ready. So $12 is going to here. And next is weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And this is going towards my son's senior year. So what I am doing is just rolling a D8 for the week. Oh, $1. So we are going to put $1. Oops, not two. $1 into here. Next is created by Say with Judy. Each icon is $5. And I forgot my color pencils, but I'm just going to have to do a marker. And hopefully it doesn't bleed through. Oh, I need my color pencils. Hold on, let me find them. Yes, hold on. All right, I found them. Okay. So let's go ahead and color in white. One icon for $5. And let's do acorn. I can't believe it's not even fall yet. It's still summer, but it feels like fall. It's crazy. That's probably why I got a little sick, because the change of weather so quickly. And I was able to go to 2 festivals this past weekend. We have an Italian festival and a popcorn festival. Chef's kiss. So yummy. Oh, Santa's coming to town. And my plan is to hit at least one more fair, and that be the Apple Fest. Because I want some homemade apple cider and apple butter. Those are my 2 wants right now. Where are we at on here? We still got one more reindeer to do. Oh, let's get our $20 to put into Christmas. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. So let's see. Last reindeer. Who's coming to play? 7. Okay. Surprised it wasn't 10. It's 7 today. So $7. So minus 7. Okay. And see. Where are we at? Should we just do the roll and save? Let me get a black marker. Where is my black one? I don't know. Let me get that one. You probably won't be able to see that one. Oh, here goes black one. All right. Should we roll a D8? Yeah, let's roll a D8. All right. We got 8. Oh, this is not looking too right on there. Let's just use pink. 8. Okay, so minus 8. Oh, we only got $5 left. Let's go back to a D4. Or no. Let's go to this one here and put a 5 here. So then minus 5, and that's $20. We are doing really good with this challenge just for Christmas. So $20 goes in. And before I forget, let me go ahead and put plus 20. So 421 plus 20, we add 441. And the goal is for this book is 500. So we are getting there. Ugh, get it there. All right, moving on along. We got say 2025 and 2025. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And what we have left is 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Is that right? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Yes, $62. Can we put all that in here? 62. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Hold on. We got minus 22. Minus another 22. And minus 18. Oh, my gosh. We are finishing this whole section here. Go, girl. Go, girl. Well, I was not expecting that. So 22, 22, and 18. I love that. So let's do a blue. And this is saving for taxes for next year. I mean, not the exciting thing, but at least I will be ahead of the game. And if I don't need this whole thing, I'll just roll it over to the next year. Just keep it going. What color should I do this one? Well, let's do green. That's exciting. We finished this whole section here. All right, next, we just got to bust down this section, and then we'll just work on these scratch offs. I see the future. We can do it. So that was 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. $62. Perfect. All right, gems. Like that, that was $100 put into my year of savings. All right. I want to thank everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.